Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create vertical waterfall chart in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then we go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu, choose the chart option. We can see here many chart. Now I am select the waterfall. Then click the OK option. Wait some moment to inserting the chart. Then select the chart and go to the chart design menu. We can see here many style of chart. You can change the color, otherwise add more than style or effect. You can add any layout, like select the quick layout and added any layout. Otherwise you can add or remove any element. Select the axis, you can add the primary or the vertical axis. Otherwise you can edit the data of chart. Select the chart and go to the chart design option and click edit data option. Then we can see here open a Excel spreadsheet and select the data and change this. Now we can see we insert and edit waterfall chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.